Hey, snoopers, YouTubers. This is Car Crazy Can's garage. Well, I made an interesting little thing here. I needed something for pressing out all sorts of different things, little bearings and this and that. And I come up with this idea using what I got. I didn't have much metal kicking around, but scavenged some metal, and we made a little press. And all this is a little jack that comes in a car. Alright. So, you see that right there? Little jack. And this actually comes up, raises up and down. Take a hammer and tap this up. This little ledge here. And I can adjust it up and down if you want more support. I just put some 2x4 into here, or I could put metal if I wanted to, if I had some. 2x4, and I could bring up the table. I still have to put a piece of plate, a 1/4 inch across here, so I make a little table for pressing stuff onto, or whatever. So whatever it is, take these out. They're kind of in there at the moment, but they come out. See over here, there's, sorry, my lighting is not too good because my fluorescent light is burned up here, burned out. But you see here, I've got this welded up on here. It moves up and down, no problem. Well, I didn't want to make it too sloppy. This is quite snug on there, so you can move it up and down as you need to. And yeah, just bolt it on there. Bolt it on there like that. Nothing crazy. I mean, I could probably used 3/8 bolts, but I didn't have any. I used what I had. And this is very simple to operate. And what a guy can do, if you need extra torque, you can take either impact wrench or ratchet, 3/4 inch. Or one of those cordless drills with, the cordless impact drills. One of those, and just, turn it. It's really simple, and it's really handy and it's lightweight. Take it anywhere. And I've been meaning to make something like this for, I don't know, who knows, 10-20 years at least. But just time to find stuff. I love making stuff. So, but like everyone else who's into cars, like making their own kind of tools. So yeah, it's really handy. It is a really handy thing and simple. You find some angle iron somewhere, I mean you can find it anywhere. And there you go, you make yourself a little press. And this has become real handy for doing little jobs. Of course, I want a big press. I'm gonna have to buy a 50-ton or whatever it is press that I can do some major pressing with, but this is good enough. And if we're doing little projects, it's fine. You can probably put a different little head on here for bending shit if your guy wants to. But handy. I like I got little equipment sometimes with my little tractor there, my little Kubota. But yeah, so it's really handy for have certain things. It's handy for. So actually, a cousin of mine actually wants me to build one like this for him too. So, but I said, do you want me to supply the metal? I can build one for you. Very simple. So yeah, actually you can put any kind of jack on here, but this works the best. You don't have to piss around with oil, or oil jack, hydraulic jack, whatever. And put some lube on there and lube it up, and you're good to go. So there's the wrench. Anyways, if you have any questions about the mini press I made, post them in the comments below. Like I said, it cost me nothing, just time and using the MIG welder I have back there. It's the regular wire feed welder. Welder up. So, if you need a little press, you're doing little jobs, little dinky things you want to do, doesn't require a whole lot of pressure. I mean, the jack is good for lifting, anywhere from 3 to 7,000 pounds, regular car weight. So it'll work. Alrighty, good to see. But give me a thumbs up, and post comments below. Tell me what you think. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching my videos. More coming up soon.